And I'm going to bed too. Alright, then go. Don't even shoot me again. Don't even shoot me again. Freaking kill him. Give me something to hit him with. I swear to God.
Nothing.
Do you have a bat? I swear to... I'm gonna freaking beat...
I got a Trojan. You want a Trojan? Hey, you want it? You know, wrap it and beat it with it. Beat him with it.
Look at that.
Holy rat. You can't be mad now. It's just too funny. I was going to give him a Trojan, but I guess he didn't want it.
Oh, it's a bunch of bullcrap. Get out of there, Ben. God.
What the heck did you just do?
Freak out, turn your